We're here at the Seattle Art Museum and we just did a cyanotype workshop. Because what you'll do now is you'll just let it oxidize slowly. My name's Will Wilson and I'm a Dene photographer and artist from Santa Fe, New Mexico. And I'm here for this double exposure exhibit. Double Exposure is an exhibition of contemporary native art. It's also an homage in some ways to the work of Edward Curtis. It's Marianne Nicholson, Tracy Rector, Will Wilson, and Edward doing an exhibition about representation and about kind of how indigenous people have been imaged or might want to be imaged. Edward Curtis actually used the cyanotype process as kind of a proofing process when he was in the field. So he would take his glass plate negatives and make these test prints. So in the field he could see what he was getting and kind of adjust accordingly. And I think he gave some of the cyanotypes back to people in the community as well. There aren't a ton of them that still exist, but there are some up in the show. They have this characteristic blue tone. The purpose of the workshop is really just to share with the Seattle community some aspect of photography and, kind of relate it to the exhibition. It's a fun, kind of safe, easy photographic process that pretty much anybody can jump in and be part of. So it's kind of a community outreach, family day, it's Father's Day, happy Father's Day. And we had people do photograms. So we just kind of coated some paper with the cyanotype emulsion and allowed families to use flowers and clamshells to kind of create photograms. And then a group of folks also got to have their portrait taken by me with a Petzval lens, which is kind of based on a historic design. We took those images, turned them to black and white, inverted them in Photoshop. So there's the negative, and printed out digital negatives, and the digital negatives then were put in a print frame and exposed outside in this glorious Seattle sunny day. And so we got a bunch of really nice cyanotype portraits out of the process as well. It's been a wonderful time here in Seattle and the workshop went great. I think people are really happy. Took some beautiful portraits of people and hopefully there's some nice Father's Day presents there generated.